Show your daddy how you swim.
Daddy?
Or your mama. Whoever's sitting this day. Think both.
Mama!
Swim, hurry.
Hey, swim! Okay, he's swimming. Look at him go.
Okay, swim back now. Swim back. Okay. It was full.
Ready?
Underwater.
Under. Now under.
Go.
Quick. Okay.
Underwater.
Can you go back?
No, right here, Kate. Kinley. Right here.
Ready?
Yep.
This is my computer.
Oh, Daddy.
It's not my computer.
Go.
Hey, watch the water, man.
Good job. Okay, Kayla.
Okay, my turn. Ready?
Wait. Let me swim back.
Watch it, bro.
Ready? It's not the computer. I said no computer.
Underwater.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Is that underwater, Caleb?
What?
Show Papa how you did it underwater.
I can't do it that way.
Let's go. Underwater.
Kinley, see how far you can go underwater.
I can swim like a tornado.
Did you not hold your breath, Kayla?